behind many successful IT men are women who don't give two shits about what we know. I sure the hell can't convince her to keep her MacBook desktop clear. But when she uses this rope of imminent fiery demise, I need to do something. And that's what we're gonna do today, with some shrink wrap tubing. So what we have here is some 3/8 inch 3:1 shrink ratio tubing, which as you can see fits just over the end of the charger there. And it should shrink down enough to perfectly encapsulate that. First things first, we gotta clean this up. I just realized I'm gonna have to thread this through here. So we're having to go full MacGyver. A string, somewhat heavyweight, gonna tape that to it.
Destroy the Constitution and all.
That was far too much work. Well, it's a hell of a lot better looking than it was. And I'm certain a lot safer. You know that whole thing about ask permission or beg forgiveness? I didn't ask to do this.